The vote was unanimous. U.S. Ambassador Samantha Power presented the resolution, which was the result of last-minute negotiations between the United States and Russia, to the press.
The Security Council will now create a joint UN OPCW entity to look at those incidents that have been and will be identified by the OPCW fact-finding missions, and identify, to the extent possible, the individuals, entities, groups, or governments who were the perpetrators, organizers, sponsors, or otherwise involved in the use of chemicals as weapons. And this most certainly includes the use of chlorine or any other toxic chemical as a weapon.
Syrian Ambassador Bashar Jafari emphasized that the Syrian government remains firm in its opposition to chemical weapons and its cooperation with the United Nations Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons.
The Syrian government has affirmed to the Council and the Executive Council of the OPCW several times its condemnation of the use of chemical weapons or weapons of mass destruction by anyone, anywhere. The Syrian government and its army have never used and will never use chemical weapons.
Carla Del Ponte and other UN officials have confirmed that anti-government militants in Syria have been using chemical weapons like chlorine and sarin nerve gas for many years. However, countries like the United States, France, Jordan, and Saudi Arabia continue to support them. Jafari reported to the Council that the Syrian government has repeatedly urged the UN to take action against the foreign-backed insurgents who are using chemical weapons.
We have many times drawn the attention of the Council and warned it of the danger of the use of chemical weapons in Syria by terrorist groups, some of which are affiliated with Al-Qaeda.
The new entity created by the Security Council resolution will investigate the use of chlorine gas in Syria with the intention of discovering the perpetrators of these illegal attacks. Caleb Maupin, Press TV, New York.